My name is Peter Noyce. I'm a partner here at Menzies and head up our offering to the legal sector. I've recently been involved with and spoken at many events, whether they be conferences, thought leadership events or panel discussions in respect of the legal sector and the challenges that it faces. Many of those discussions have offered useful insight into perhaps how law firms should adapt their strategies to be able to meet those challenges within the legal sector at present. We've all discussed before and fully appreciate the absolute benefit for any business having a fully documented strategy and way forward for the next 4 or 5 years perhaps. And this is so true for law firms especially. What I'm going to discuss in this commentary is the fact that strategy must be absolutely linked and take account of the management information that is being supplied, hopefully on a timely basis, and hopefully it's also reliable and understandable by all. You may well recall that a couple of years ago the SRA suggested that one of the good behaviours of any law firm would be that the management information was transparent to the whole partner group, and this is something I firmly believe in. But linking that management information with the strategy as a whole may help you decide whether the service area, the workflow that you're trying to develop in particular areas is actually where you need to be going. You need to look at whether that particular service line is actually profitable or perhaps is under-resourced. Perhaps you have a capacity problem within that area and therefore asking the present number of fee earners and staff in a particular area to promote and business develop and make that a growth area within your practice may not actually be possible, and therefore the management information you're receiving should not just be as historical, but it must be identifying whether you have the productive capacity to be able to fulfill that growth going forward in that particular area. One other thing to look at is, as I said, you may well be finding that some service areas, service lines, offerings of your legal practice are not as profitable perhaps as you first envisaged. Now, quite often what happens in law firms is that the marketing spend, so as part of your strategy you should absolutely have a marketing strategy as well, it may well be that marketing spend is being focused on the wrong areas. You should be focusing your marketing initiatives, work and your spend and time being spent on that in the areas that you're hoping to develop and hopefully your more profitable areas. I'm not suggesting that a work area, perhaps conveyancing, if it isn't as profitable as you first thought, is dropped immediately. But there must be a business case to each of these work areas and each of the teams. So that's something absolutely to focus on and should be linked in to an overall strategy. We at Menzies have prided ourselves over a number of decades now with our association with the legal sector and being in a position to advise individual firms and the sector as a whole. We hope you have enjoyed these video commentaries, but please do, if you have any burning issues in respect of your business, your strategy, how you feel you should be going forward as a law firm, and certainly in respect of compliance, do please get in contact with any Menzies partner that you may happen to know, or please do contact myself, Peter Noyce, Head of Legal Specialism at Menzies.